Hey guys, found my emblem, so let's go outside and put this thing on. Alright, took the old one off. Looks like you just peel it and stick it on. Nice and easy. Let's go over it. I should clean that off first. There it is. Looks great. Looks so much better now than the old one. Guys, after swapping out the back emblem, I was trying to decide whether I should swap out the front one or not. I actually decided that I'm gonna keep the front one even though it's faded because it looks gray and it matches the pewter metallic. Right after I decided that, 1 or 2 days later, I look at my car and half the emblem fell off. So I guess it's meant to be that I'm gonna replace them both. I actually just swapped out the back emblem because that one was cooked, and now all of a sudden this one fell off and this is pretty faded. So got the new emblem here, got some fishing line, and let's try to get it off. I actually got 50-pound braided fishing line. Don't have a heat gun. Probably should have the line a little longer so it could hold it better. Definitely not coming off as easy as the back one did. That's all right. This part now. Alright, got it off. Just gotta get this out now. And the back emblem came right off, so this is kind of crazy how it's just stuck in here. There we go. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna stick this right over that. I don't think it's really worth peeling all this other stuff off. So yeah, let's go for it. This is very nice. Comes right off. Why is it not going in good? There we go. Let's just press it down. There it is. Looks great. Definitely much better. What do you guys think? And if you guys replaced the emblems on your C5 Corvette, drop a comment.